Jack, what are you doing there? You're in the walker, aren't you? Jack, Daddy's trying to sleep. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and you know what today is? It's Black Friday, Jack. We should go shopping. We should. And it's the 25th, I think. So that means 1 month till Christmas. And what are we going to do today, Jack? I don't know. Maybe we'll see some friends that are in from out of town. And maybe tomorrow we'll put up our Christmas lights. Yesterday we had a good Thanksgiving. We saw all kinds of relatives. First we went to Grandma and Pop-Pop's. Then we went to Grandma and Grandpa's. Oh, and we cooked a turkey. That's right, and it came out pretty good, didn't it? Shh. Jack's been up since early. I don't know exactly what time it was. Somewhere around 5:30, 6 o'clock. And now it's about 8:45. We had our breakfast. And we're just rolling around in the kitchen. Right, Jack? Yeah. Having a good time. Being real quiet. Hey, man. Alrighty. We're gonna say goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye. Can you wave to us? Nope. Okay. Bye.